1. Drug classification. Class, antiplatelet agent. Type, P2Y12 platelet inhibitor. Often prescribed along with aspirin, dual antiplatelet therapy. 2. Mechanism of action. Clopidogrel works by inhibiting the P2Y12 receptor on platelets, preventing platelet aggregation, clumping, reducing the formation of harmful blood clots. Backhand index pointing right. This helps keep blood flowing smoothly in arteries. 3. Indications, uses. Clopidogrel is used to prevent heart attacks, myocardial infarction, prevent ischemic strokes, treat acute coronary syndrome, ACS, prevent clot formation after angioplasty, stent placement, manage peripheral arterial disease, PAD. 4. Dosage. Typical dose, 75 mg once daily. Loading dose, in emergencies 300 to 600 mg. Can be taken with or without food. Warning: always follow doctor's prescription. 5. Pharmacokinetics. Prodrug, activated in the liver, via CYP2C19 enzyme. Onset, within hours, faster with loading dose. Duration, effect lasts 5 to 7 days, due to irreversible platelet inhibition. 6. Side effects. Common. Bleeding, most important. Bruising. Diarrhea. Serious. Severe bleeding, internal bleeding. Thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, TTP, rare but life-threatening. Allergic reactions. 7. Contraindications. Avoid active bleeding, e.g., peptic ulcer, brain hemorrhage, severe liver disease, hypersensitivity to the drug. 8. Drug interactions. Clopidogrel interacts with proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole, may reduce effectiveness. Other blood thinners, bleeding risk. NSAIDs, increase bleeding risk. 9. Precautions. Use cautiously in patients with bleeding disorders, liver impairment. Stop 5 to 7 days before surgery, if advised. Genetic variation, CYP2C19, may reduce drug effectiveness. 10. Brand names. Plavix, most common brand. Clopidogrel. Clavid. 11. Clinical tips. Often combined with aspirin after stent placement. Patients should avoid injury, risk of bleeding. Inform doctors before surgery or dental procedures. 12. Summary. Clopidogrel is a life-saving antiplatelet drug widely used to prevent serious cardiovascular events. Its main benefit is reducing clot formation, but the major risk is bleeding, so careful monitoring is essential.